Hi guys, welcome to my channel Mr. Amazing Code. So today we are going to make a Star Wars game. So first log in and then scroll down and then click on view full list, the same one. After that you can see Sprite Lab, Dance Party, Flappy and then Star Wars blocks. Click on that. Not Star Wars blocks. And go to actions. Set droid to auto review. You can set your random droid. So after that, set droid to normal speed, and then when up arrow, when left arrow, we should make like that. Control copy, control paste, control paste, control paste. Down, left, right. After that, take move droid up for 4 times. Again, set. Then for correct direction, set the correct direction. When left arrow, move right left. When up arrow, up. When down arrow, down. And then right. You should do pixels for 30. All the sides are 30 pixels. Okay, now let's. Oh, it is there. Okay, now let's move. Okay, this is right. You can see it's moving when I'm pressing my arrows keys. So let's change the background, the land. Let's set starship background. And then blank map to grid. After that, first take loop, good loop, and then take repeat, and then type it under, and then repeat 10 times. After that, take action. Add a stormtrooper. You can add how many characters you want. I'm going to add 5 characters. A stormtrooper, and then reboot pilot, and then puffer pig, and then Minoc, and then mouse droid. No, robot. Okay. Okay. And that obstacle is there, like this obstacles. When it touches the obstacle, let's reduce a point. When obstacle touched, go to logic, no, events, no, action, no, games and score, remove 1 point. Go to event and get any character, games and scores again, add 2 points. Let's add 2 points and then remove 2 points. See the score up here. And That is get an character, take actions, play random sound, oh, oh, it's okay. When I touch the obstacle, my score will reduce. So after we get all characters, go to again events and get all character, end game as a win, and then play applause sound. After winning, you should stop the droid. So go to action and take stop droid. Extend the droid. Okay. C3PO. What? You see him? The yellow color bot who's rolling around the bottom. Can you see? It's boring. Let's take the R2D2. This one. Yes, and let's play again. I like this game. Yeah. What? Not stopping. What? Some error, I think. Oh, before played applause sound, I should do. No, now also it's not stopping. Okay, that's all for the video, guys. If you like my channel, please subscribe. And the same process, you can share it to your friends. Copy this link, or if you have a US phone number, you can send it to your phone, or publish in co.org and or publish in Facebook, Twitter.